The thing is with data centers, I mean, they work, they exist, but they are too power hungry. And you have to mitigate that. And eventually, it is about moving data more efficiently from A to B, whether this is within the rack or rack to rack or between data centers. It is how you bring power to the chips. Like power conversion from like 400 volts coming into the data center to 48 volts distributed up to 1 volt or less than 1 volt. That's the power, the voltage that is used to power the chips. Power conversion is a super interesting space, and the other is like, you know, interconnections, interconnectivities, and people are talking about optics now, not only between data center but also within the data center, because copper comes to its limits. How much power it can deliver at what energy that is power that is lost. So these are super interesting areas. But then also on the, you know, on the technologies area, everyone is talking about light out fabs, like semiconductor fabs will run fully autonomously. So that means that our equipment, our machines have to become self-aware.